Hello students, in video number 26 we have studied preparation of soluble salt. In this video we will study preparation of insoluble salt. First method to prepare insoluble salt is by direct combination. Metal reacts with non-metal forming salt. For example, lead is a metal. When it combines with sulfur and it is heated, it results in the formation of an insoluble salt known as lead sulfide. Same way, iron is a metal. When it combines with sulfur, a non-metal, and it is heated, it forms an insoluble salt known as iron sulfide. Second method is by the combination of an acidic oxide with a basic oxide. First one, as you know, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature and metallic oxides are basic in nature. Sulfur dioxide, which is a non-metallic oxide, when it combines with the metallic oxide, calcium oxide, which is basic in nature, results in the formation of a salt known as calcium sulfite. Same way, carbon dioxide, an acidic oxide, when combines with calcium oxide, it forms calcium carbonate. Third method is by precipitation reaction. Precipitation means formation of a precipitate, which is an insoluble solid substance left after the reaction. It is also known as double decomposition reaction, which is defined as a chemical change in which two compounds in a solution react to form two other compounds by simply mutual exchange of the radicals, which means positive of the first part combines with the negative of the second, and negative of the second combines with the positive of the first. For example, barium chloride plus H2SO4 results in the formation of white precipitate of barium sulfate, and along with that HCl it is formed. Now how this reaction it occurs, let's see. Barium chloride contains positively charged barium and negatively charged chlorine. When it combines with H2SO4 containing positive hydrogen and sulfate as negatively charged, positive of the first one will combine with negative of the second, and negative of the first will combine with positive of the second, forming white precipitate of barium sulfate along with that hydrogen chloride. Same way, other reaction also occurs. Second one, AgNO3 plus HCl gives white precipitate of AgCl plus HNO3. Third, lead nitrate PbNO3 twice combines with Na2CO3 to form precipitate of lead carbonate, that is PbCO3 and NaNO3. Fourth one, Na2SO4 plus BaCl2. In this reaction, Na is positive, SO4 is negative. Positive Na will combine with Cl negative of the second, forming NaCl. Ba of the positive of the second reactant combines with the negative of the first, that is SO4, forming BaSO4. Same way, fifth one, CuSO4 plus H2S gives black precipitate of copper sulfide CuS plus H2SO4. Last one, lead nitrate plus HCl form white precipitate of lead chloride and HNO3. Next topic is preparation of insoluble salt from another insoluble salt. Students, this topic is very important from board point of view, and many times it has come in the board paper. How the question comes, write two-step reaction to prepare salts of lead, that is lead chloride or lead sulfate. Or in other words, how will you prepare an insoluble salt from another insoluble salt? Students, remember one thing, insoluble salt cannot be prepared easily from another insoluble salt. So what is the solution? First, we will convert insoluble salt into soluble, and that soluble salt will be converted into insoluble again. For example, PbO, lead oxide, is an insoluble salt of lead, which when combined with nitric acid, a strong oxidizing agent, it is converted into soluble salt of lead, that is PbNO3 twice plus H2O. Same way, lead carbonate is also converted into lead nitrate. Now, the lead nitrate which is formed in the above reaction will combine with H2SO4 and forms white precipitate of lead sulfate and HNO3. Again, lead sulfate is a insoluble salt of lead. So we have prepared lead sulfate which is insoluble from another insoluble salt, that is lead oxide. So if the question comes in the paper, you have to write both the equations in order to prepare insoluble salt from another insoluble salt. Students, same way we can write for the formation of lead chloride also. For example, PbO, first it reacts with nitric acid and it results in the formation of lead nitrate. Along with that, water it is formed. Now this lead nitrate is soluble, and lead nitrate, which is soluble compound of lead, combines with HCl and forms white precipitate of lead chloride. Along with water it is formed. Now come to next, second type, preparation of silver chloride and barium sulfate. Same way, students, just now we have done by double decomposition reaction. When nitrate of silver combined with hydrochloric acid, it forms white precipitate of lead and HNO3. AgCl plus HNO3 is formed by the exchange of the radical. Same way, second reaction, barium chloride when reacts with H2SO4, it forms white precipitate of barium sulfate along with HCl by the exchange of the radical. Barium positive with negative SO4, BaSO4, hydrogen positive with negative chlorine forming HCl. Students, with this, preparation of insoluble salt is completed. Thank you.